Hey everyone, welcome to Hayden B Grilling. Now today we are going to be smoking pork steak. This is going to be a step-by-step guide to everything you need to do to make the best pork steak that you've ever put in your mouth. We will be using our Z-Grills pellet smoker, and we will be using the grill your ass off seasoning. And this is one of those recipes that, a lot of times you think smoking, barbecuing, that it's difficult, it's extravagant, there's a lot going on. This is very simple cook. And the best part is if you don't have a smoker, you can do it on a grill. Just do it on the offset side. Well, if you don't have a smoker or grill, you can do it right in your oven. So this is a very good recipe and one that, like I said, you can cook it many different ways or methods. Oven, grill, or smoker, or a Weber, or a charcoal grill, whatever. This is a very versatile recipe, but it's very good. And so please follow along. So we got 4 of these big, beautiful pork steaks that we picked up from the stockyards here in Paragould. Folks, I'm telling you, if you're local to the area, check them out. It's all local, raised products, whether it's pork steak, or beef, or poultry. All right, so we got 3 of them on this pan. Suckers so big they wouldn't even all fit on one pan. But we're gonna season them up with the old Infidel. Now, I am running low on this seasoning, so what we're gonna do is just get us a good coat here on one side. I'm not gonna season both sides. We got them seasoned up, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let them rest right here while we go out and fire up our smoker. Let them start to get that meat sweat, start to draw in that seasoning. When it starts to sweat, it'll open up those pores, and that's how your seasoning will seep down into the meat. Now it's time to fire up our smoker. We're gonna raise the lid. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna run through that smoke cycle. Once the smoke cycle completes, then we're gonna bump our heat up to 225 degrees. Now folks, the last thing I wanna do is make you guys think that when you turn on a Hayden B Grilling show, or a video rather, and I'm trying to sell you something. That's not the case, but we have made affiliates here at Hayden B Grilling. I'm excited about that. But it's like Z-Grills and the Grill Your Ass Off. I will be posting links, down in the description of these videos, but they aren't products that are sent to me or whatever, and I just throw them on there. It's products that I 100% believe in. If I didn't, I wouldn't have them on the channel, and I dang sure wouldn't be posting links for them. So y'all please check out both of those links. I know Grill Your Ass Off is running a heck of a sale right now for Father's Day, and Z-Grills is always running a sale of some sort. So y'all please check both of them out. And like I said, I'm not always trying to sell you stuff, but what I'm trying to do is increase or improve your grilling game, your smoking game, your cooking game. Because that's what I'm trying to do for myself as well. So y'all please check them out. All right, folks, so our smoker's sitting pretty at 225 degrees. I just want you to take a look at those pork steaks. See how that seasoning is started soaking in, it turned it a darker color. We're gonna let them go untouched, unopened for 1 hour. All right, so now we just brought them in the house. We're gonna lay a couple of pads of butter down on a sheet of aluminum foil. Next, we're gonna come over the top of that, sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar over in the aluminum foil. Next, we're gonna pour just a little bit of apple juice right here. And then we're gonna take one of our pork steaks. We're gonna place it here. And then we're basically just gonna repeat the same steps. We're gonna go butter, brown sugar, apple juice, and then we're gonna wrap this up. All right, so our smoker's at 300 degrees. We're gonna place these back on the smoker for 1.5 to 2 hours. Now I wrapped them in such a way that it'll be pretty easy to gain access to. So we're gonna check them in 1.5 hours. What we're looking for is for them to be fork tender. All right, folks, so we got our first pork steak here, and it is wanting to fall apart. We're gonna get these on a tray here, and I'll bring you back for the next part. All right, so we just got these in the house. Now for these two here, I'm gonna go with this Better Goods Spicy Habanero barbecue sauce. Pineapple habanero, I'm sorry. But I don't want to pour a ton of it on there. Just a little bit. And then I just want to brush that over the meat. Because when you put a lot of barbecue sauce on, then it takes longer for it to get tacky. I did fire up the oven to 300 degrees, same temp as my smoker was at. I've already got all the smoke flavor on them we're gonna get. But then it come a downpour. So we're gonna finish them off in here. Oh, that's a little much. But we're gonna finish them off in here in the oven. But we'll bring you back here in about 10 minutes. All right, so we'll just pull these out of the oven after, it didn't even go a full 10 minutes for the sauce. You can tell the sauce is already tacky. But this is what I'm hoping is gonna happen. I think you cut that with a plastic knife. Look at that. Tender as can be. All right, so we're gonna do the taste test. Miss Laura here has got the one that we did with the honey barbecue, and I got the one I used the habanero on. But these are so tender, folks. I'm telling you, plastic fork is all you need. But taste test.
Oh my. This is like double. It's like melting like in my mouth. Like very good.
Folks, that's incredible. I mean, Laura said it best, like it falls apart in your mouth. It like it melts in your mouth. Tender, plastic fork. I mean, I know we're not using a plastic fork, but if you had one, that's all you would need to cut these.
Yeah.
Great flavor from the grill your ass off seasoning. Y'all, step by step, follow these steps and you will have some incredible pork steak.
This is a 20 out of 10.
I say it tastes like bacon.
Yeah, Aubrey said it tastes like bacon, which I'll take that. But, and like I said, if you've got a grill or if you don't have a smoker, use a grill. If you don't have a grill, use your oven. We had to finish them out in the oven because of the rain. But I would love to have finished them out on the smoker just because, you know, that's who I am. But very good recipe.
Very, very good.
Out of 10, what do you give it?
20.
20 out of 10. Bam! That's the highest I've gotten yet, I think.
It's so good.
So, what do you give it, Aubrey? I know you're saying out of camera because you got that stuff in your hair.
13.
13? Oh.
25.
25, she said.
But y'all, please let me know what you think of the video. Please like, subscribe, and if you're looking to make a pork steak, follow this right here. This will not disappoint. So please like, subscribe. We'll see you later.